day to all. With the Snaige refrigerator, there was a small problem. It stopped turning on. I apologize for the quality of the video, as I filmed it on my phone. I didn't have a video camera with me. I'll tell you how I repaired this refrigerator. Let's get started. I noticed that the wiring was already decrepit, dilapidated, and in any case it needs to be changed. It changes easily. Unscrew 4 screws in the refrigerator socket with a screwdriver. We remove the old wiring and change to a new one. Next, open the refrigerator, inspect it, identify flaws. First of all, we check the thermostat in the refrigerator. It is usually located on the side of the freezer. You see the red button. This is the thermostat. In my case, everything turned out to be simple. The thermostat button was pressed. I took a screwdriver, unclenched the thermostat button, and the refrigerator started working. To keep the button from being clamped, it is necessary to clean this place thoroughly. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.